Guys, welcome to my channel. So I'll be making a headband wig. I already have the headband attached to the mannequin head with the wig cap on it. This is the hair that I'll be using. It's the allure hair, semi-human hair. So I'm just going ahead to mark out the strands that how I'm going to space out my hair on the mannequin head. So that's it. I've already done, and I'm just going ahead to start working on my wig. And guys, I do have a sewing machine, but I decided, because this is my first time making a headband wig and I didn't want to mess anything, I wanted to be so sure, so I decided to hand sew the hair on the wig cap using my hands. I didn't want to have that situation where I could rip out everything, because when I hand sew, I'm so very sure of the outcome, but with the sewing machine I'm not so well acquainted at the moment, so that's why I decided to use my bare hands. I hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly watch to the very end. This video is so self-explanatory, so I hope you understand everything. You've seen whatever it is that I'm doing. The materials are quite not so elaborate as such. I don't have special equipment, just the mannequin, the wig cap with the headband attached to it, the hair that I'm using, and I'm using needle and thread. That's it. That's all that is needed. The lines are already mapped out. I think that's the most important thing, to map out the lines, which will guide you on how to space out the wigs, to space out the hair on the wig cap. And yeah, that's it. And I hope after this video you can make yours, or you can give it a try and make yours and see how it goes. So enjoy watching. So guys, as I told you at first, this is my first headband wig that I'm making, and I encountered a lot of challenges, in as much as it was a great learning lesson. Though I had a lot of challenges on how to attach the hair to the wig cap, because the wig cap kind of had some holes on it, so it was a hassle really to attach the hair onto the wig cap. I didn't want the hair to come out. Like, I didn't want a situation where the hair will slip out from the wig cap, so I really had to be keen. And you'll see, maybe somewhere, somehow, I'm really struggling to get the needle to pass through the weft of the hair into the wig cap. I really struggled with that. That's what I really struggled with, but all along the process was so seamless for me, and I enjoyed making this wig cap. And it is available for sale in my business page, and I also do make them on orders, because I've started making wigs on my business page. I make wigs too, so yeah, you can go check it out and have it, or even if you want to put across an order, just let me know in the comment section and I will bring it right to you, because I do deliveries countrywide. Anyways guys, let me stop rambling. I'll see you later on in the video. Keep watching. I hope you enjoy everything. now started working on the top part of the wig, and I want to get it as neat as possible, and I'll be taking my time so as to make sure that it's as neat as possible. And something that I didn't mention earlier, when I started making the wig from the bottom part, I used like one weft of the hair. I didn't double it up because I didn't want the hair to be so bulky at the back. So when I reached at the middle of the wig cap, that's when I started to double the hair. And also at this point of the head, the top part of the head, I'm making sure that I double the hair. This is because I want it to be voluminous and to be full at the to be full but not so bulky at the top part of the head. And I want the tracks to cover up the wig cap as neatly as possible. So that's why I'm using the double weft method over here. And yeah, I'm just going to do this all around the wig. I hope you really learn, I think, or two. It's not as difficult and it's not as easy as such, but it's worth it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching and you can make your own wig as at now. But if you can't, and if you want me to make your wig, you can head over to my business page at the Yote Accessories and get yourself something. Almost finished making my wig. So at this top part, I decided to put two wefts of hair on the wig cap so that it will be bulky and it will be as natural as possible. So here I am just going ahead, weaving in the tracks as neatly as possible so that my headband at the end will be uh, natural looking as possible. So yeah, this is what I'm just going to do. And yeah, I'm just glad I'm almost done with my wig. After making sure everything is in place, I'm just going ahead to continue working on the wig, on the headband, putting in the velcro on it so that it attaches nicely at the back of the head. And that's what I'm just going to be doing. I hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly let me know your thoughts about this tutorial on the description box. It's not as difficult per se. I enjoyed every bit of making the wig cap. So yeah, I hope you too can enjoy if ever you decide on making a wig for yourself. And just like that, this is the finished look. I love this headband. This is how it came out. It's super full but lightweight. It's full but lightweight. It's still, and the human hair is super soft to touch. Like I really just love this hair. And the curls itself, the curls are to die. So just look at that. Easy to work on, easy to comb. It's just flowing naturally. And yeah, it's just super great. And I love it. For my first headband wig, I'd say that this is super cute. And it's everything that I wanted in a headband wig. So yeah, that's it. That's how I made the headband wig. I hope you learned a thing or two. If you want to start a business, you're free to do that. If you want to make yourself, you're also free. So see you then.